Words are like colors. When we put them together, they make pictures and stories. But every sentence has a simple structure. Today, we'll explore it step by step. Nouns, verbs, adjectives, articles, adverbs, and WH questions. By the end, you'll see how easy it is to make sentences that speak with meaning. Ready? Let's start our journey. First, let's meet the hero of every sentence, the noun. Without nouns, we wouldn't know who or what we're talking about. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. Examples: dog, girl, school, book, apple. Who or what? We use nouns to say who or what we mean. Look at these simple sentences. Dog. The dog. A dog. A dog runs. Examples with dog. I have a dog. We have a dog. You have a dog. They have a dog. He has a dog. She has a dog. It is a dog. Here are 5 simple sentences with girl. The girl is happy. The girl runs fast. The girl has a red dress. The girl is in the park. The girl plays with a ball. And 5 examples with school. The school is big. I go to school every day. The school has many students. The school is near my house. The school is open today. Also with book. The book is on the table. I read a book. The book is red. The book is very small. The book is in my bag. Look at these simple sentences with apple. The apple is red. I eat an apple. The apple is on the desk. The apple is sweet. The apple is in the basket. So nouns are our characters. They are the stars on the stage. Without them, the sentence would be empty. Now that we have our hero, let's see what action they take. Every hero needs action. That's where the verb comes in. Verbs are the heartbeat of a sentence. Verb rule. A verb shows action or state. Examples: runs, eats, plays, to be. Action? We use verbs to show what the noun does. Here are some easy sentences. The dog runs. The girl eats. The book is red. Sentences with run. I run every morning. We run every morning. You run every morning. They run every morning. He runs fast. She runs fast. It runs fast. Here are 5 simple sentences with eat. I eat bread. You eat an apple. We eat rice. They eat fish. She eats a banana. Or verb to play. I play football. You play with a ball. We play in the park. They play games. He plays the guitar. And to be is, are, am. I am happy. You are my friend. We are students. They are in school. She is a teacher. Verbs are the heartbeat. They make our hero move, live, and act. Now let's add some color to our hero. Heroes are not just names and actions. They have qualities, colors, and feelings. That's the job of the adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective describes the noun. Examples: big dog, happy girl, red book. Describe? We use adjectives to show what the noun is like. Let's look at these sentences with happy. I am happy. We are happy. You are happy. They are happy. He is happy. She is happy. It is happy. Now look at these phrases. Big dog. The big dog runs. The big dog is brown. The big dog eats food. The big dog is in the park. The big dog plays with a ball. And happy girl. The happy girl smiles. The happy girl sings. The happy girl is my friend. The happy girl goes to school. The happy girl plays outside. And red book. The red book is on the table. The red book is small. The red book is in my bag. The red book is new. The red book is mine. Adjectives are the colors of language. They make your hero shine. But wait, we need a small helper to guide the noun. Articles are like little lights. They shine on the noun and tell us if it's general or special. What is an article? Articles help us point to nouns. Examples: a dog, an apple, the school. Point or helper. We use articles to show which noun we mean. Sentences with a, an, the. I see a dog. We eat an apple. You go to the school. They read a book. He has an orange. She likes the teacher. It is an animal. Another examples with article a. I see a dog. She has a book. He eats a banana. We go to a school. They play in a park. With article an. I eat an apple. She has an orange. He buys an egg. We see an elephant. They read an article. Lastly, article the. The dog is big. The girl is happy. The book is red. The apple is sweet. The school is near. Articles are small but powerful. They point the spotlight on the noun. Now let's add more detail to the action. Actions can be fast, slow, today, tomorrow, here, or there. That's the job of the adverb. adverb rule. An adverb describes the verb. It tells us how, when, or where the action happens. Examples: runs quickly, eats slowly, plays outside, reads today. How, when, where. We use adverbs to show more about the action. Sentences with quickly. I run quickly. We run quickly. You run quickly. They run quickly. He runs quickly. She runs quickly. It moves quickly. Adverb slowly. The boy walks slowly. She eats slowly. The dog runs slowly. He writes slowly. They speak slowly. Adverb outside. The children play outside. The dog is outside. We eat outside. She waits outside. He reads outside. Adverb today. I go to school today. She is happy today. We play football today. He eats rice today. They read a book today. Adverbs are the rhythm of the action. They tell us how the hero moves. Now, let's learn how to ask questions. Sometimes we don't just tell a story, we ask about it. That's where WH questions come in. WH question rule. WH questions begin with words like who, what, where, when, why, how. They help us ask for information. Examples: who is the boy? What does the dog eat? Where is the school? When is the lesson? Why is the girl happy? How does the boy play? Ask and answer. We use WH questions to find out more. Sentences with WH questions. Who am I? I am Bay. Where are we? We are at school. What do you eat? You eat an apple. When do they play? They play in the afternoon. Why is he happy? He is happy because he won. How does she sing? She sings beautifully. What is it? It is a book. WH questions are the keys to curiosity. They open the door to more answers. Now let's put everything together. Now comes the magic moment. We join our hero, their action, their color, their helper, their rhythm, and even questions into one complete sentence. Sentences are stories. With nouns, verbs, adjectives, articles, adverbs, and WH questions, you can tell the world what you see, feel, and wonder. Sentence rule. A sentence has a subject, a verb, and sometimes an object, with adjectives, articles, adverbs, and questions to make it richer. Examples: the big dog runs quickly. The happy girl eats an apple slowly. The red book is on the table today. Practice with WH questions. Who runs quickly? The big dog. What does the girl eat? An apple. How does she eat? Slowly. Sentences with richness. I eat the red apple slowly. We read the big book together. You play the small game outside. They watch the happy movie today. He runs quickly in the park. She sings the sweet song beautifully. It is the small dog on the table. FNT. Practice flow. Try it with me. Noun, girl, verb, reads, adjective, happy, article, the, adverb, today, sentence, the happy girl reads today. Question, what does the girl do? She reads. Pause, smile. See, you just built a sentence and asked a question. Today, we discovered the building blocks of English sentences. Nouns gave us heroes. Verbs gave us action. Adjectives gave us color. Articles gave us focus. Adverbs gave us rhythm. What questions gave us curiosity. And together, they created complete sentences, mini stories that carry meaning. Remember, every word is a brushstroke, every sentence is a painting, and every learner is an artist. Keep practicing, keep building, and soon your sentences will tell big, beautiful stories. Thank you for joining me on this curious journey in English Evolution Step 1. See you in the next lesson where we'll explore even more secrets of English.